Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. This is Curtis here with Kapper Outdoors. I appreciate you all watching us throughout this Picker's Paradise junkyard we got going on here. It's been a long process. We're getting closer to the end anyway. Got one more dumpster you see behind me. Got that filled the other day. Got one more coming. We got one more part of a single wide to tear down and be ready to rock and roll as soon as it dries out a little bit. But Kapper can't make it today. I guess he's, milking his injuries, and I went by his house and he was still in bed at 9:30. I went by to get some cameras and I woke him up. Kapper, come on now. We got stuff to do. But I appreciate all you viewers out there and everything. It's been great that you've been following us, been enjoying the comments. Shout out to our friend, I believe it's Ed in Jamaica.
I think that's Floyd in Jamaica, Curtis. That's not even close to Ed. Come on, man.
Hope everything's fine down there. I'm sure you got a lot better weather than we got here in Southern Illinois. But hey, it's warming up. February 25th. It's going to get up in the low 50s today, which is definitely a blessing. But you see what we got here today? I got the excavator warming up. Gonna pick around a little bit. Just got a call, so I was going to plan on staying here for a couple hours, get some work done. But it looks like I may have an hour of working time today. I've got to go to a showing and got to go while the business is hot. But anyway, try to bring you a little bit of action for today's episode. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome to another Pickers episode, I guess. You might ask, why is it only a 1/2 episode and not a full episode? Well, that's pretty much because it's a Curtis episode. So Curtis, I give him credit. He was a little stubborn, wanting to get some work done. He tried to battle against Mother Nature. Even though I warned him against it, I said, no, let the dirt dry, let the dirt dry. He wanted to give it a shot anyways. And of course, Curtis is being Curtis, and he kind of threw me under the bus a couple, maybe dozen times, I don't know. But the thing Curtis has forgot was that since I'm editing, I have a live microphone. So there may be a little bit of back and forth here, we'll see. But either way, it's sure to be fun. So let's go have some fun on this half episode and see how things go out at the Picker's Paradise.
Alright, so the first thing Curtis is going to work on here, this is the low spot that we need to build a road for to get back to that last mobile home way back in the woods. So he's going to cut a little trench here. There's some water flow that runs from left to right down into the pond. So he's going to work on cutting a little trench so he can get his culvert pipe in place where he wants it, and then hopefully start backfilling it with some of the dirt that I piled him up 3 days ago now and let it start drying out. So let's see how he does here first. Hey Curtis, the water's supposed to flow towards the pond and away from the new road, not towards the new road. Alright, so right here, as me being the trainor and Curtis being the trainee, I'm pretty proud of him. He's making a nice cut here for the pipe to go in, lowering the level just a couple inches so the water flows through and stays nice and low, so the road stays nice and dry. So yeah, so far we're doing pretty good. Nice work here, Curtis. Oof, easy man, easy. I might have to trade this thing in pretty soon. Okay, right here I'm also proud of him. Look at how he's slicking down that top end so the water can kind of shoot right into the pipe without silting it up too much. Nice work. Dang, man, must be nice to be able to just switch from a mini excavator over to a nice new skid steer on your new property. Yeesh. What, next thing you know, he'll probably be asking me to borrow my equipment.
Hey, Kapper. Hey, just want to know if I could borrow your excavator to take to my 100 acres. I've got some projects lined up, and I promise this time I will not get it muddy. Thanks, buddy.
All right, everyone. Had to cut this short this morning when I started this video. I got a call, had to go to a quick showing, so I'm back and getting ready to jump in the skid steer, change the bucket out, see if I can push a little bit of dirt / mud. It's a sloppy mess here, but that's what we deal with this time of year. I also want to show you, the other day I got cleaning up this one mobile home that you seen us loaded. Got it all cleaned up. Well, most of it still looks like a disaster, but kind of show you the frame. Got it all cleaned up and put away. Got a new dumpster just come in. Should be our last dumpster. Get this one remaining part of the single wide in the back. But first we got to make a little area, little drive to get back there. So that's what we're gonna see. Thanks for joining us. All right. Thought I had it live the whole time, and I didn't. Kapper's trying to teach me how to use all this fancy video stuff he's got here.
Yeah, some students just naturally learn, faster or slower than others. I mean, I'm not gonna say which one Curtis is. That would be impolite.
Anyway, guess I didn't get on camera. I picked up a bucket full of dirt. I dumped it. There was a dang hand shovel in there. Must have been buried in the dirt. I thought Kapper was trying to send me a telepathic message saying I need to shovel this dirt / mud. Ain't gonna happen. I think Kapper's at home, probably soaking up the sun by his hot tub, nursing his wounds from the last week before. So he's got some cracked rib. Told him he should have got a little carried away on that hot tub there. Watch that tequila. Nah, just giving you crap. Just giving him a hard time because he's not here. He usually does it to me, so gotta return the favor. Just how friendship works, Really need this to dry out a little bit more, but something like we always do. We always push the envelope a little bit. Gotta get stuff done. It's just gonna be a wet, nasty mess around here for a while. I can get it piled up with some of this drier dirt that may getting this machine all muddy for him. Just to give everybody an update too, I've seen some of the comments, why don't we burn yet? The burn ban is still in effect. Hasn't been cleared yet. I've been in touch with the EPA, and as soon as we get everything cleaned off, the metal, including this mobile home frame behind me, we got one more mobile home to get out of here. Then he'll come out and inspect it, and I'll be ready to torch some stuff. and that'll be hopefully on some future episodes here. So just want to keep you guys, give you a little update what's going on.